While most people sleepwalk through another Saturday, thinking they're free, they're really trapped in a loop. Same week, same paycheck, same routine, just enough to survive. They call it a job, but it's really just broke. Think about it. We're taught to get a good education, find a secure job, and climb the corporate ladder. But what does that really get us? We trade our most valuable asset, our precious time, is what we give up for that paycheck, for a paycheck that barely covers the bills. We're stuck in traffic, glued to our phones, scrolling past the lives we wish we had. All while calling it security. The system is designed to keep you comfortable but never truly free. It's a cycle of passing on opportunities regularly, which some people call being poor. You spend your days building someone else's dream, stuck in a dim grey cubicle, while your own dreams gather dust. You see the bills piling up, the years flying by, and you start to wonder, is this all there is? You're told you're ahead of the curve, but you're still on the same hamster wheel, just running a little faster. This isn't living, it's surviving. It's a cleverly disguised trap, and most people don't even realize they're in it until it's too late. But you're different. You feel that pull for something more. You see what's happening around you. You see what AI makes possible. Not just a fancy buzzword, but true automation. Real freedom. The ability to duplicate your efforts and build something that works for you, even when you're not working. Imagine a life where you control your time, where your income isn't tied to the hours you put in, and where you can finally start living instead of just existing. This isn't some far-off fantasy, it's the new reality for those who are willing to see it. Don't stay stuck in the past. It's time to break free with a system that is smart, simple, and scalable. A system designed for this new era. A system that leverages the power of AI to create a future you deserve. The truth is, the world has changed, but the advice we're given hasn't. It's time for an upgrade. Stop trading your life away for a wage. It's time to build your own pipeline, not carry buckets for someone else. Get your free system today with MLM Lead Pro and discover how AI can help you finally break the loop. The link is right there. Click it, take the first step, and start building your future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more insights on how to reclaim your freedom.